Hello everybody, so today I will be showing you how I'm going to be using a simple program that I made with Vbscript on Windows, and I'm going to apply it to a simple program that I made for my Arduino Uno unit, which is right here. So what this simple program does is it turns on a light for about a certain amount of time, and then it just turns it off. So I want my lights to be turned on at 8 o'clock in the evening or something, and I want it to turn off at about like 4 o'clock in the morning. So I'm going to put that code into this Arduino Uno unit. That's what I'm going to be doing right now. So I'm going to start the Arduino Uno program or compiler. So I got to go to Tools and select the right port first, so it's in COM port 4. And this is a program that I wrote. So what this thing is going to do is it's going to keep the light on right now until 4 o'clock in the morning. So I'm going to do that, but I'm going to use this program right here. See that program? It says time calculator right there. So I just enabled it, ran it, I'm sorry. So I'm going to turn it on from right now it's 12:54 a.m. So the starting hour is 12 and 54. So that's enter minutes. So ending hour is going to be 4 o'clock. And I put E or NE. So E is when it's equal to AM to AM, and PM to PM is equal. So for example, let's say it was 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. then I would select E. Or if it's like 1 a.m. to 6 a.m. then it'd be E. But let's say if it was from, let's say, 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. then I would select NE, which you see right there. So it's NE. Now I'm going to press enter. Okay, I'm going to try that again. 12:55 to 4 o'clock. Let's try E. No, that didn't work. Try that again. Let's try NE. And the time I came out with was 184 minutes. Let's see if that's right or not. So it's 12:56 right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's about 184 minutes. That's correct. Okay, so I'm going to put 184 right there. So it's going to be on for 184 minutes, and then it's going to be off from 4 o'clock a.m. and it's going to be turned back on at about 8 PM. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to use that to program again. So I said it's going to be on at 4 p.m. Press enter. 0 minutes. Ending hour is 8 p.m. right? So it's NE, and I'm going to press OK. So it's 960 minutes. Okay. 960 minutes. It's going to be off. So right there. That goes right there. So that's going to be off. So the next thing is from 8 to 4 p.m. it's going to be off again. So I need to put it into my time calculator. So 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. and it's NE, and I'm going to press OK again. That's 480 minutes. It's going to be on. So that's 480, which I would put right here. And that's it. So the way I have this configured is in my IoT relay device. I'm going to take that out and show you right now. Which is right there. That's the IoT relay device. I plugged in the power cord for the lamp for manually on, as you can see. So manually on means that it will be, so when it's off then it's on. That's what it means. So that's why it's configured in this way. So when it's low, when it's off, then the light is on, and when it's high, when the light is when powered up, then it's off, and then when it's powered down, it's on again. So that's why it's like that. So all I have to do is now send it to my Arduino device. Just uploading. Okay, just like that. It's off right now. So this is a handy little tool to use. This little piece of software that I used to create with Vbscript, because I could use it to calculate time. So that's the code for it. I'll put it into the video description so you can just use it. So the way you save this is, let's say you put that, you copy and paste that there. You just go to save as. You go to all, and then you just save it as .vbs, and then save it. That's it. And then that's the other one that I created. So it should function in the same way. Let's say I wanted to turn the power on from, let's say, 1 a.m. to 10 a.m. Then I would put E, because it's AM to AM. So then let's get the time. So it's 540 minutes, as you can see there. So it's a handy little tool to use if you're using, I mean, for my little lamp, automated lamp project. So that's pretty much it. Okay, thanks for watching. By Ace 1000KS 1975 signing out.